No, no, not the man. No, not the no, not the brother. I get slapped. You know, the man of my pump price, the man of my rice, the man of my M16. I'll be a 2 gun man of my shop, right? No, you might come like a show to go.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Boy, wanna know how me feel about this, you know? Me feel like, I know this is a bit controversial, but me feel like, yeah, take the money. You see the man them a run with 2 bags of money. And it's like this. Look on Jamaica. Look how the Prime Minister lives. The Prime Minister house over $1 billion to blow out Jamaican. And him just coming out power. This time second term. Look how the people them a live. Poverty take over the country. See, rather the man them go take some money cause the money insured. Now, look on the 2 big bag of money them. We are go around in a Jamaica dog. And nothing now go on for the people them. So what them expect the man them to do? Eh? Me would I take it too. You understand? Because there is a total disregard for people's lives in terms of economics when it comes to the Jamaican government and the Jamaican system. You understand? Now, like me say, them burn out people out of Gregory Park, them burn out people out of Southside, them this, them that. But rather the man them go take some money than I destroy people's lives, house, I burn out woman and pitney, I murder woman and pitney. Yo, wanna go for some money, you understand? Take the money from them and make them know say yo, them have to change the system and make life better for the people them in the country. That's why we have them kind of crime there. Now, me hear some police pick up one of the man them cause him a driving at the car. Listen, the man them fi think out them thing properly. Cause me hear say a man over Portmore a feed car. And it's like, you have to think of all the possibilities. You understand? So, me not teach a man them how to do robbery now. But you see when you take something like that, you have to burn out the car. Burn out the car and stop drive the bombard car up and down dummy. That's why I get catch all the fucking time. Burn out the car, use fake license plate. You understand? And burn out the car. And then, you know so you more safe. Cause Jamaica, them a play with forensic evidence. Them not really have it like that. But, them have the technology. And every so often, them will come with a case and get the forensic. So, you know, compared to a lot of the Caribbean, Jamaica are the most advanced when it comes to them things there. But the man them fi burn out the car. Burn out the car, top drive the car, you understand? And go chill out. At that one fi do. But wanna do things like this. Look on that video.
That's a good man. Hey there. No but job. Yeah, we boy. 9 to 5 never did it. Don't fuck up. That's a good man. Hey there. No but job. Yeah, we boy. 9 to 5 never did it. Don't fuck up.
One thing with Jamaica, you know, the man them fully done more time because Look on the video there. The man them do a robbery. And then that boy, you know, him a go up on TikTok and I show him face. You understand? And I show a big kind of cash and I talk about it. No wonder police are go hold on. You understand? When you do them thing, you have to take the money, burn out the car and go kick back. Jump on a plane and blow go to St. Martin's or somewhere and go kick back. You no go Trinidad. Cause if you go Trinidad, people them have a blood clot program, you know. Cause every Jamaican there Trinidad, them things say, yo, them a hit man. Go St. Vincent, go one of them islands, they go St. Lucia and go kick back and find a job. And know say, yo, you have a bag of money, you make yourself a man and you lay low. But when you can't do the robbery and then go pull off on social media and go in on the neighborhood, go do all sort of thing. Like, remember some youth, I know a couple of them. The man them rob a Brinks in America. This about 7 years ago. And you see as soon as the man robbed the Brinks, no word of a lie, me here says a Ferrari the youth buy and bring in a neighborhood. You see the last youth who do that robbery there, them catch him on a stripper in a hotel up in North Carolina. And him did still have a bag of money, he did have like 300,000 upon him. But the man them do a good robbery and do the same thing with the man them do at Jamaica. Go up on social media and I pull off and I show things. You understand? And it don't work like that. Now, with that said, this about what the fourth Beryllium robbery. In a most of them, people get, the man them get money. Government still don't know who really do it. You hear say them catch a suspect, yes so. Them catch a suspect, there so. And then the case disappear. Listen, Jamaica is one big motherfucking hot mess. You understand? Now, the police them at Jamaica, when we realize them, they like, you see them police now, them are some pussy, you know what? Them mix up in the thieving thing and everything we are going on, you know. You see, white collar criminal at Jamaica, and them get away with all of the blood clot murder at Jamaica. And you see the youth, them have a little machine and I get up, and then the police are kill off. You see all of the white collar criminal them at Jamaica, them dep on bail. One of them on bail, case disappear. And that's how Jamaica stay. Fire burn upon Jamaica and the system. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. I am out. Fire burn upon Jamaica and them system and them Prime Minister, yo.